In this video, I'll show you how to clean a circular saw blade. As a first step, you need to soak the blade in a cleaning solution like Simple Green or a detergent solution. The best and cheap way is to use the lid of a 5-liter paint bucket, which will fit most circular saw blades. Next, place the saw blade into the lid. Now, before pouring the cleaning solution, I highly recommend you wear latex gloves to protect your hands. Next, pour the cleaning solution into the lid. I use detergent as the cleaning solution. Make sure not to spill anything outside. Now let the blade sit in the cleaning solution for 10 minutes. Now, after soaking the blade for 10 minutes, take the blade out and scrub it with a steel scrubber. Now thoroughly scrub the blade, making sure to get all built up residue. Now once you're done with the side, flip the blade and scrub the other side as well. Now at this point the blade is reasonably clean, but it still needs to be cleaned off rust. To do this, spray WD-40 on both sides of the blade and wipe afterwards with any piece of cloth. Wipe thoroughly and cleanly until you get all the rust off the blade. With that, you've successfully completed cleaning your circular saw blade. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.